2010 Toyota Fortuner KUN61R, and I'm taking you through the registrations of these Toyota Fortuner. Let's get started. We're going to start with the main chassis number, which is located at the rear wheel on the frame on right hand side. This is your main chassis number for this Toyota Fortuner. The engine number. We're going to open the bonnet so that we can trace the engine number for this 1 kg diesel engine. Okay, let me open the bonnet. This is your engine with D4 markings, and the engine number is on this left hand side, or the passenger side. The battery, here this dipstick. Let me tilt my camera. There you go. That is the engine number, just straight. That dipstick straight below the sensor. You'll see this engine number. There you go. That is the engine number of this 2010 Toyota Fortuner. Now let's look at the main sticker of this Toyota Fortuner, or the VIN plate. The main sticker is located at the rear left door pillar. Is the rear left door pillar, and this is your main sticker. You can see the model is KUN61R. Okay, that is a quick registration of this 2010 Toyota Fortuner.